This is our fridge. And there's our turkey.
Stick it, turkey. How am I going to find room here for it?
This is what she has to do every single year.
Oh my God.
In order to...
Okay, now I gotta... Okay. And Dad with his chicken nuggets that he brings in.
Look at that.
Pickles. Okay, I gotta get this out.
You see, there's the... Where's the turkey at? Oh, there it is.
Okay. Maybe if I put this over here.
Yeah, but you still have to put in, see, big mess
Put it here.
of this.
Huh?
See? You still have to...
Is blue cheese any good still? Ew. No, that's gone bad. Ew, throw that out. This blue cheese gone bad.
You love blue cheese. How could you
It's
let...
gone bad. It's got foam on the top.
That's so gross.
These are the sauces and the flour I bought. Okay. Oh God, this is one of the drivers gave them this rice. What is this? My God, this rice I made like 2 weeks ago.
Do I put this in the garbage or...
No, let's heat it up. We'll have it for dinner. Okay, eggs over here.
She doesn't need to know.
Give me. Give me that container.
This is the handy foil. Handy foil.
Stupid bird. Alright, I can put it here.
What's it hitting against? Oh, you're... Never...
I put that there. I'm going to put that in the back room. See if anybody wants it at work.
We could drink it. We use it for Thanksgiving. We'll come up with a cocktail for it.
I only bought it because I like to clean my system out before my yearly urine test, which always comes out messed up.
She's healthy, don't worry.
Oh my gosh, the meatloaf that I made, like, I don't know what. That's an egg in the middle, not raw.
Yeah, she makes her meatloaf with egg in it. Sorry for the excuses of the garbage. Oh, jeez.
Oh, my beers. My beers.
Oh, that's not the worst thing in the world.
Well, no, these are the beers that I buy to have here. You know, in case I need to indulge, which is almost every day. Okay. Just to have that there next to my...
Can you move my Activia?
Are you filming me?
No, I'm not filming you. Just the back of your head. You will see this footage. You will approve of this footage. There's two. There's one more over there. See?
What is this over here? What is a Coco Rico doing over here? God, so much cheese here. Oh.
Oh. So can you put my...
Yeah.
Why don't you put the turkey in there, in that corner? Oh wait, you need it for the sodas and milk.
Then where would I put the sodas? I
This
can
is
put it over here and then just cover it really well. So
This is what happens.
because my refrigerator likes to leak in the back too, and I don't want toilet water back there. Okay. Vinegar here. What do I have anything over there?
Soup.
Give me a soda.
We have soup that you made.
Could you lower my meatballs, please? Thank you. Okay, the soda. The soup would have to go. Oh, I don't even know where to put the soup. Oh, this is spinach. I'll put this down here.
This is always the Sunday before Thanksgiving.
It has to be like that because I have to move this up a bit. So, the soup. There's the leaking refrigerator.
Yeah, our fridge leaks.
And I can't lift that up anymore because of the thing, so I have no idea where to put that soup at.
You have to put the soup with the sodas.
Alright, what else do I have over there?
Oh my.
There's some
Oh, bagels.
chicken salad.
That in there.
Bagels and roll of
Well, chicken salad's right here.
And I hate the holidays sometimes. I love them and yet I hate them.
Hold on, she has continuously keep misplacing my...
Where is the aluminum foil?
I gave it back to you.
I'm not getting rid of this, okay? Because I just made that chicken soup.
Well, yeah, Dad's gonna eat it for like 3 days.
But I gotta be able to put the noodles away. I'm making spaghetti today.
We'll put the noodle on top.
Oh, why are you torturing me and filming this? You
Because
didn't show them that dirty sink that I haven't cleaned, have you?
you will get final approval. This will only see the light of day if you say so.
Well, good. It won't see the light of day then. Okay.
It's gonna get soggy.
That's not my problem. That's his problem. Okay. Why is it Nutella? I thought Nutella you were supposed to refrigerate.
It was really wet. So I decided...
Okay, now what the hell is an onion doing over here? Oh, this is disgusting.
Yeah, it's all wet for some reason. Oh, there's your onion.
No, that's garbage. It's disgusting. Get me a paper towel, please. Do something besides standing there with the phone in your hand.
Oh, this is just, you know...
You have 2 Activias over here.
Yeah, I know. I ate 2 and I have 2
Oh my
still.
God. Something must have spilled in here. This is disgusting. I can't stand a dirty fridge. Oh my God, what is that? Oh. Oh no. Put all this chocolate out. I only take that for lower my blood pressure when it's time for my return.
Oh, yeah, she found this to be disgusting. What is this?
Oh, that is gross. Okay, let's put it there. What is this? What is this? Explain this to me. 1/3 of a jalapeno.
Because you made mean chicken.
I understand, but...
And you didn't... Oh my... Yeah, Mom, this footage has never seen the light of day.
What?
Your face got in it.
You're going to have to chop it off.
I'm going to shut it down now.
You shouldn't have put my face.
See, there's the turkey. She was able to...
Take the picture. Take it.
Recording it.
Okay, good.
See, she was
Hey,
able to...
look, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I know we're recording, but every woman out there that does all this knows what a trauma this is, because we look forward to Thanksgiving, we look forward to Christmas, we look forward to celebrating a lot of stuff where it's not about a religious thing, it's about spending time with our families. But there's a lot of stress involved. Hello.
Yeah. Because...
You know, at the end of the day, it's worth it.
Because after this is going to be a huge turkey. Oh, no, not huge turkey. Huge pork for Christmas.
Alright, can I have my water now, please?
Alright, that's us. That is us signing off for the real Thanksgiving.
And you'll see it on Thanksgiving.
Yep. So quick add on here. What is it that you wanted to say?
But you forget on one thing on Thanksgiving.
What's the one thing on Thanksgiving?
We're going to pull the ultimate prank on Thanksgiving.
Oh yes, we're going to pull a
We're
prank.
going to scare the living crap out of my sister. We're going to make her believe that there is a ghost in the house. Very easily. And we're going to record that. So if you want to see it, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. So, bye everybody. I don't know, like, comment, subscribe. And remember one thing. Everything is fine. or for some of you.
And push the notifications.
Like, comment, subscribe. Push the notification button if you are subscribed. Bye everybody. And remember some of these wonderful Seinfeld and Bob's Burgers quotes. Bye everybody.